In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a table in Google Docs. This is a simple process, but knowing the right steps can make it much quicker and easier. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Any modern browser will work well, but I personally recommend using Google Chrome because it tends to integrate seamlessly with other Google services. Once your browser is open, type Google Docs into the search bar and hit Enter. Among the search results, the first match should be a direct link to Google Docs. Go ahead and click on that. Once the Google Docs homepage loads, you may be prompted to log in if you're not already signed in. Use your Google account credentials to do so. Regular users should find this straightforward, but if you're new to using Google services, you'll need to create an account quickly, a process that's quite intuitive. With access granted, you'll see a list of your recent documents, or, if it's your first time, an option to create a new document. For this tutorial, we're focusing on an existing document with a table you no longer need. Locate and click on that specific document to open it. Now that your document is open, navigate to the table you want to remove. Click on any cell within this table. This step is crucial because it ensures that your next actions are targeting the correct section of your document. Next, you'll want to right-click on the cell you've selected. This action will bring up a context menu offering a variety of options, and here's where the magic happens. In that menu, search for the option labeled Delete Table. Clicking this will delete the entire table from your document, leaving no trace behind, so make sure this is what you want to do before you proceed. In case you click by mistake or change your mind about removing the table, remember that Google Docs offers easy ways to undo your actions. Simply click on the Undo button at the top left side of your toolbar or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac. This will swiftly reverse the deletion and bring your table back. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully removed a table from your Google Doc with just a few quick clicks. It's always good to refresh your skills with these digital tools to maintain efficiency in your workflow. If you found this helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.